Hi guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to change store currency on Shopify. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac and then head on over to shopify.com and make sure you log into your account so you can follow easily along the instructions in this video. Once you are here, click on Settings on the lower left. It has a gear icon. Once you are already here, you will need to scroll down. And then in here, you are going to be looking for currency. As you can see, it says their currency in here, and then it currently says Pakistani rupees. Click on the drop down this time and click on the currency that you wanted to use. It could be in Philippine peso, could be US dollars, could be Korean won, or depending on the country and currency that you need that your target market could easily access. You can customize this as much as you want. Just be sure that your target market could easily understand the currency that they are going to be seeing. Now just choose one and once you are satisfied, you can now go ahead and close it. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.